Good morning, boys and girls. So I'm going to show you a card, and I want you to tell me the sound it makes. Ready? Z. W. A. A. Ah. Ch. Y. Where would we find this sound? Y. In the beginning, middle, or end of the word? In the beginning. Sh. Ah. What as in cry? I. And what as in baby? E. And where would you find this sound in the word? I or E, in the beginning, middle, or end? Yes, the end. J. K. W. Voiced. Z. Qu. What is the soft sound for C? The hard sound is K. The soft sound is S. I. Unvoiced. T. The hard sound is G. What is the soft sound for G? J. O. D. B. P. K. All right, I'm going to say a word, or excuse me, a rhyme, and you're going to tell me a word that rhymes with it. Ready? Ite. What word rhymes with ite? You could say light, bright, kite, sight. Give me a word that rhymes with ice. How about nice, mice, dice, twice? All right, now I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat it and tell me the digraph you hear in the beginning. The sound. Ready? Whisker. What is the digraph? W. Cherry. What is the digraph? Ch. Shelter. What is the digraph? Sh. Chestnut. What is the digraph? Ch. Thirsty. What is the digraph? Good job. All right, get your choppers ready. The word is broken into phonemes. We are going to blend it back together. Ready? Here we go. W. Eel. What's the word? Wheel. Ch. Arge. What's the word? Charge. Sh. O. What's the word? Show. O's. What's the word? Those. Chase. Oh, that's all right. Ch. A. What's the word? Chase. All right, the next part, we're going to do the roller coaster, and we're doing the middle sound. Ready? So say the word dine. D. I. I. Is I short or long? Yes, long. Say cave. A. Is A short or long? Yes, long. Say road. O-D. O. Say heat. Eat. E. Say tape. T-A-P. Good job. Okay, the next part, we're going to break the words into phonemes, so get your choppers ready. Here we go. Say the word chop. Ready? Ch, ah, p. Say the word white. W, I, t. Say the word this. V, I, s. Say the word thumb. Say the word sheep. Sh, e. Say the word them. V, a, m. Is the v in them voiced or unvoiced? Is that TH sound voiced or unvoiced? Say the word shape. Sh, a. All right, I'm going to say the rhyme, and we're going to add the onset for the new word. Ready? Say elf, add sh. What do we get? Shelf. Say ick, add ch. What do we get? Chick. Say itch, add h. What do we get? Hitch. Say ink, add th. What do we get? Think. Say thing. Oh, sorry. Say ing, add th. What do we get? Thing. All right. Now I want you to repeat after me. Okay, ready? Say the word shed. We have sh. Add without sh. We have ed. Say thumb. Without we have Say dash. D. Ash without d. We have ash. Say shout. Sh. Out without sh. We have out. Say hitch. Itch without h. We have itch. Say sharp. Sh. Arp without sh. We have arp. Say chair. Ch. Air without ch. We have air. All right, in the next part, get your fists ready. We're going to change the beginning sound. Ready? Say poke. Change p to w. We get woke. Say name. Change n to f. We get fame. Say beak. Change b to o. We get leak. Say tape. Change t to k. We get cape. Say base. Change b to v. We get vase. Say mice. Change m to n. We get nice. Say coat. Change k to g. We get. Tell me in the text box entry what word. When we have coat, we change k to g. What is the word? Type it in so I know you've watched this video. Have a good day. Bye.